Hey y'all, I just wanted to get on here real quick and shoot a short video. In case you missed it last night on the Hobby CNC with Dave show, I was talking about the 2022 Gatton CNC Christmas Challenge. And I mentioned to my viewers that if they wanted to provide a prize, make a donation, maybe something as simple as an Amazon gift card or something like that, and be a sponsor of the challenge, all they had to do was let me know. And I was actually blown away because we had several people step up and say, "Hey, we'll do a gift card, uh, you know, router bits." And even Bob from Bob CNC said, "Hey, I'll do a quantum CNC." So I wanted to do this little video to kind of get the word out about that. And also, if you're wanting to learn more about this challenge and find out how you can enter it, you can go to the website. It's davegatton.com. Just Google davegatton.com. It'll take you straight to the website. Then up at the top, you'll see 2022. Uh, you'll see the 2022 Gatton CNC Christmas Challenge. Just click on that. And then you can scroll down and you can read and find out what all the Gatton CNC Christmas Challenge is all about. You can scroll down and find the rules for entering, what you have to do to get an entry in, and also go down a little farther, and you'll see where I've added the list of sponsors. So be sure and check those out and support those folks as well. If you are wanting to enter and you need a little inspiration, to make a Christmas themed project with your CNC, I have links to the previous six playlists from the six previous years. So this will be the seventh year for the Gatton CNC Christmas Challenge, and we hope this is going to be the best one yet. So anyway, that's all I wanted. Just be sure and check that out and check out the sponsors, and we'll catch you next time. Thank you very much.